GuardKnox's Secure SOA Framework is a middleware solution that decouples software components from hardware, allowing for maximum modularity of software and streamlining the EE architecture design and development of vehicle software. The vehicle of the future will generate additional revenue streams via customizable driver profiles and downloadable features powered by secure app stores. We call the shift from rigid vehicles to flexible and customizable platforms the smartphonization of the vehicle. To support this evolution of the vehicle, software development cycles need to be accelerated. Go-to-market needs to be measured in weeks or days, not months. Software architects use the SOA framework to design and plan for resources that host software components even without knowing the full specs of the applications that'll be inside the partitions. The SOA framework contains several core components that provide automatic software lifecycle management for applications and software services. It automatically determines where every new software component should be installed and can lift and shift software components or even entire partitions in real time. It does this securely with a patented 3-layered approach so users and manufacturers can securely update the vehicle. The design is open and extensible and features cross-platform support for any configuration containing a CPU architecture, hypervisor, and partition operating system. The SOA framework can exist in an ECU, compute system, or on a cloud network on top of hardware, hypervisor, secure separation kernel, or bare metal hardware. Welcome to the world of seamless upgrades where the latest updates are available in mere moments. With GuardKnox's SOA framework, the auto industry has the freedom to evolve to create the next generation of software-oriented vehicles.